If you come out to your grill this season and it looks like this, rusty, flame shooting everywhere, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to fix it.
From the squeak of the hinges to the roar of the drive, Bob and Nick keep the world alive.
One of the first things we need to do here is we're going to need to tear this apart. We're going to have to take these grills off. We're going to take these tents out. So you just lift them up, and we're actually going to set them over here in the grass. All right, we're gonna power wash them off. Is what we're going to do. They're pretty dirty. I don't know. I guess we're bad. But if you can see, it's all rusted up. And no, this ain't one season, it's a couple seasons. But I'm sure I've seen this many times before. We're not the only ones that do this. These tents can be bought on the river. And actually this is 14 and a half. And I actually paid, I bought 15 because I didn't want to pay $15 for two where I could get 4 for $15. So I'm going to cut them off, and you'll see that also. It looks like we have a little here. A couple rivets are busted. But that's okay. We'll put some screws in there. So let's get this out of here. It looks like that's the only one that's actually like that, but there is a whole bunch of dirt and grime down in here. So I'm going to tear this all down, get the power washer out here, and I'll bring you back in and we'll start talking when I get it all cleaned up, and we'll start putting it back together. All right. Oh, and what I tried to mention is that all these grills are different, but usually these tents lift out. So don't be afraid to dig in. Don't throw it away. There's lots of them sitting by the curb, and I think this is why. So one thing I forgot to tell you is these will come out, so you'll need to take these out and set them off the side. You can see that there's a screw that goes in there, and I don't know if we'll be able to get that screw out or not. It looks pretty rusted. So for this case, I think I'm just going to yeah, I'll be able to get a screwdriver and get them out. So we'll go grab a screwdriver, and you can see that is your automatic ignition on this. First thing I should have told you, we're going to unhook the gas first down here and get the gas tank off of there. I don't want anybody to get hurt. So anyhow, again, it's just a matter of taking these off and getting this over here and power washed out. So, and they're all like that. They all have a screw in there. And we need to get them out of there so we can get this all cleaned up and get it back together. Folks, I apologize. I said that the screw, there wasn't a screw, it was kind of a rivet. They just unplugged. It's been a while since I worked on a grill, so I couldn't remember. They just unplug and they'll plug back in when we get done. So, if you can see me, folks, what I'm doing here is I'm just going to clean out this old grease and stuff like that, stuff that you should probably, I'm sure manufacturers say to clean all the time. So I'm just going to scrape it up.
Bob got a heart, he's a fixin' man. With Nick by his side, they've got a plan. From a busted car to a cracked phone screen, they're turning wrenches, living the dream. garden tools and a leaky sink, a computer crash or a car on the brink. No job too big, no task too small. TechnologyBob showing us all. Click that button, give it a go. Watch them work on what you know. Building dreams one fix at a time. On TechnologyBob, they're doing just fine.
All right, folks, I'll bring you back for just a minute. I have to run to Menards. Looks like our power washer decided not to last over the winter. We'll catch you in a little bit. Thanks. Folks, I'm back from Menards. I ended up upgrading a bit on the power washer.
Build a wire, hammer and nail. Spruce up the garden, or fix a derail. Nick's got a laugh and Bob's got a grip. Together, they're making treasure from bits. Oh, trucks smoking PC's blue screen. Oh, washing machine that's busting at the seam. Tune in to their channel and you'll be hooked. Learning as they teach you what it took. From morning sun to the evening glow, behind every fix there's
Woo! Now that's a power washer. Wow. I got it in my eye and everything. So where's safety glasses, folks? Where's safety glasses? Little status update. All right. Look at it. Yeah, I wasn't prepared very well, I guess. Yeah. Little status update. We went to Menards, ended up getting a brand new power washer. What I did is I went ahead and got a gas model. We had that old Sun Joe one. It was actually never really ever very good, but it actually lasted a few years. It's actually lasted a few years. So, but this is a Westinghouse. I'm hoping it'll last a lot longer. And I'm telling you what, it has some power. Hey, folks, I had to go get an adult beverage, a barley pop. But we're going to get the grill back over there. I'm going to fire that back up.
hard work to show. Bob and Nick, they've got that spark. Building a channel.
What started all this, folks, is the grill was a little bad. We've had it for several. Hang on here. The grill was a little bad, right? Because lack of maintenance. So my family wanted to buy me a new grill for my birthday's coming up, and I said no. Let's just fix it. Well, actually, it may have been cheaper to buy a new drill. I ended up buying a power washer, right? Oh, we would have had that. We'd have ended up getting a power washer anyhow. It's all clean now. Clean-ish, right? That is broke right there. These seem pretty tight, so we'll reuse them. I'm gonna go get something and get this done. So I don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping you can. I'm gonna angle it down a little bit. Set it here and angle it down a little bit. I'm hoping you can see me work here. I'm just going to take this screw. I'm going to try to get it back in where the root hole is. I'm going to have to go over just a little bit. Let's just go over. It's self-tapping, so. Alright. I'm just going to go over just a little bit. Then we're going to put another one in there. This time we're going to go through both. Once I can get down there. I really can't. Oops. Rocked you. Rocked you. I don't think that's going to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up a little bit. Alright. So we have that back in there. Now let's put these back. These back. We're going to put these back, and we're just going to plug them in. I know it's still firing the battery in there, so everything should be okay. This goes down, this goes over a pipe. I'm gonna take you down in there. Maybe you can see it. We're gonna keep installing these things. So.
PC's blue screen, a washing machine that's busting at the seam. Tune into their channel and you'll be hooked, learning as they teach you what it took. From morning sun to the evening glow, behind every fix, there's...
As I said earlier, I bought these on the river. These are new plates. They go right in here over top of this. I bought the same brand and I think this is a Dynaflow. But what was in here was 14.5 inches, right? And two of them at 14.5 inches were $15. Two of them were $15, right? I got 4 of them here. They're not quite the same, but what I'm gonna do is I bring the hacksaw, the grinder, and I'm gonna measure them at 14.5, and I'm gonna cut 3 of them off. So I measured this at 15.5 or 14.5 right here, and I'm gonna cut it with the saw, or not the saw, the grinding wheel. So I'm going to be right back. So if you don't have a grinder or grinder wheel and you have to do something like this, use a pair of 10 snips. It's cut at 14.5. So basically I would take it and put it in here like this. And it's a little off, but it'll work. In fact, I don't know. I think I need to cut that maybe a little different. I got an extra, so we might just I actually think I need to cut it a little longer. Look at that, I need to cut that a little longer. Almost 15 will fit in there. Huh, let's try that. Take a look at what I did. I notched that out. All right, it's still 15. I notched it out. It looks pretty good in there. I'm going to do the rest of them, and we're going to fire this bad boy up, I hope. All right, there it is with all them in there. All them in there. I don't think it looks that bad. But yet we don't know if it works yet. Let's get the grill on there and see. Here's the moment of truth. Hey, still a little yellow flame in there, but heating all the way. Oh yeah. Well, I guess I'll be able to cook supper now. So, all right. Actually, I want to do a quick overview because we started. All right, today, what we did is we took the grill that was falling apart, all rusty, falling apart, and we cleaned it up, put $15 worth of new parts in there. $15 worth of new parts. And I think it looks pretty good. I mean, you comment below, but looks like we're gonna get another year out of it at least. All right. All right, folks, thank you. Thank you very much for watching today. Everything you do is appreciative. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Please drop a comment down below. Tell me how much of an idiot I am, because I am. I mean, I was using a grinder with sparks and no safety glasses, but that's just me. I don't want you to do it. Everybody be safe. And for now, goodbye. Thanks.
Hard work to show. Bob and Nick, they've got